Good day, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Today it's Wednesday. So yeah, the market is like starting to open up, and if you can check on the screen on this side, you can see the services that I'm going to offer. So before actually we go, I just need to explain some other things just for people to understand. So guys, actually every year, not every year actually, you should have goals, different goals that you're trying to achieve. So my goals this year, guys, I think last year I was actually, yes, full-time trading, but I think my time was also dedicated to other things, you see. So what I'm going to do is I'm no longer going to offer any like service like mentorship. I'm not going to offer that. I'm not also the robot actually takes my time actually that. So but for whoever who is in that robot group, they're still going to get the updates, uh, those updates, let's say up to maybe up till June, I think. But the first or the second or the third update is going to come in 2 weeks. In these 2 weeks actually, they're going to receive another two robots, Prime Aggressive, and the other one. So yeah, actually from today, I'm no longer going to offer those things. So my job now, it will be focusing on myself and trading, making things right, and just full-time trading. Only the signals, no talking, no whatever. But on the mentorship side, I will make sure that everyone is covered. Whoever who is in the mentorship group, you still fine. I'm still going to give you classes. Actually, we'll resume next week. So I will just try to do that. For 3 months, I can give you like everyday classes as we record the sessions. Then, yeah, obviously, I think with 3 months, we can cover everything. But still, I will be there just to assist, right? It's not like maybe we just closing, we no longer talk. If you need some assistance, you will let me know. But I'm talking about new faces, new people who want to be mentored. Nope, I no longer mentor. The ones that I have, actually, it's enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus on myself, also trading, and maybe also on this channel. So what I'm going to offer this year, I'm going to do something like this. I'm just going to continue doing trading at the same time. If you want me to manage your account, then I will do that. So yeah, now actually I was limited that number to actually 5 people. So I see I can handle that very nice. And actually this week is that opening week. It's not like we already started started that nice. So it means if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. Yes, I will tell you how we're going to do it. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, just let me know. So for those who don't understand, actually you have to have like $350. Actually, yeah, $350 or going up. Even if you have 100,000, but if you have bigger amount, that we will talk about that, right? If you have bigger amounts, we will talk about that so that I can also manage that account. If you have a meter, 1 million, 100,000, 50,000, just let me know. Yes, I can do that, but it's not going to be for free, obviously. So then the minimum, if maybe we start with this 350, the minimum target actually is going to be $2,000. Then we just continue like that, and you will tell me if maybe we're supposed to continue or do something like that. So the upfront fee is actually $250. So yeah, just let me know if you want to be part of the team. Just let me know if you want to be part of the team. So for those who want the signals, you can see on this other side here, you can see all those services back to normal. I try to give everyone the special, so everything's just going to stay like this, as I'm just going to focus on my trading and improving. So yeah, when we go actually on the market, we see that we have an economic calendar, and today we have FOMC meeting minutes. So around 9 o'clock later on, actually, so that will actually make the market to go aggressive. But we know that mostly when we have the news during the day, mostly the market will just play games. The market won't be giving us those nice moves, so we have to be ready for that, right? We have to know that mostly when the market does something like that, when we have news like this, the market mostly will just play games. Actually, we call that ranging. So on Friday, Thursday, we don't really have much. On Friday, this Friday, by the way, we have unemployment change, which is NFP. That is also going to move the market like seriously aggressive, whether up or down. We will see that on Friday. I think that Friday we're supposed to even we have to go live on that Friday. So yeah, that's what I see. That's what I think we're supposed to check. I think actually I think we will just resume like a live session next week. Very nice, next week. So that will be something that we're going to do like actually every day. So yeah, let's see then on the market what's really happening. The market is being like seriously aggressive. Remember, it's still January. I think maybe it's 4th of January, but the market is already moving like seriously aggressive. So, oh, this is Euro AUD. I was seeing this aggressive sell-off here. I was just doing the analysis before that, before I go live here. So I have to skip that so that we can check the pairs that we actually focus on, like actually almost every day. So let's see. I think we need to use 4 hours. So guys, if maybe you want me to manage your account, let me know. Let me know. We back. It's January. We need to work. We need to work. Your goals. If you have goals, obviously you want to reach them. You want to make sure they become possible. So I see that the market is giving me some. I've been skipping, so I think I have to explain about what I see here on the screen. So actually, what I see is the market. We are on GBPJPY. Do you see that? So it seems like the market is slowly trying to push the upside. I mean, so to the lower side, and it's not that clear because here it's just aggressive. Here the market was trying to do it to push the upside. So to me, I can say actually the market is changing the trend. The trend is now pushing to the upside. So if you check here before, you can see very nice that the market was actually trying to push the upside. Maybe we can even try to draw something like that. The market was trying to push the upside, but that actually changed, especially when we start to see that, you see here, you start to realize that actually now the market is aggressively selling off. The market created a very nice structure, a nice consolidation move, or mostly we can say a lower low, lower high, lower low. We're expecting the market to create what? A lower high here before we see another lower low. Yes, it's possible for the market to create lower lows like something like this as a ranging, but actually they actually mean the same thing. Or you can say the market is just ranging before going down, range going down. But you can see that, oh, the market was actually moving like that. Do you see that? So let's push the next one. Actually, the market on JPY, you can easily see that, yes, the market is actually on a downtrend. So you can just wait for the market to reach this resistance before you take that sell. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys. Like, share, like, share, like, share. GBPUSD, yes, we are on that uptrend, or if not, let's try to draw or to redraw our trend lines. This is the current move that we have. Let's try to connect with that. I think, yeah, I think we can have something like this. Yeah, I think something like that. I don't have to force it to connect with the older ones. So now my job, remember, this is 4 hours time frame. Already that is the bigger time frame. So now I'm going to draw the second line. The second line. The second line. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys. So This helps me to see that, oh, we are on an uptrend. We are not forced to connect with any line because sometimes they don't really make sense, or we miss other points like this ones because we're trying to connect with one point which is very low or is very high. So it's better to connect it like this. Then you can see that actually the market is doing what? The market is trying to show you that actually I'm creating a very nice support area. So what I'm expecting here is, I like the fact that the market respected this area several times and it's trying to push the upside. We can even go closer there and try to see. So for me to say I can buy, I see that the market created a structure. This is 4 hours time frame, by the way. The structure which it was respecting, the market was respecting that zone there. Do you see that? So if it's respecting that zone, you can easily see that our job now is to do what? Is to wait for the market to get out of that, because there is a chance for the market to respect this area and go down. So for us to say we buy, because this is a bullish momentum, we have to wait for the market to go above that area. Like, let's say around this area, and then we can see the market will push to the upside. Something like that. Something like that. Do you see that? Only when the market breaks this structure. Do you see that? The market created something there. So you should use that as a very nice structure that you can use for the market to break before you take action. Before you shoot, before you say I buy or I do something like this, just know that you have to wait for that to be broken. Yeah, you see. I like structures like this. I think that is obvious because you can't just jump. You can see since around this time the market has been like, that wall was like seriously tough to break. That wall was seriously tough to break. So I hope you see what I'm trying to show you. So after that breakout, yes, we will look for that buy. Maybe the market will consolidate and break. We will also check that. So that's why we don't really want to jump on that trade. So let's push to the next one. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. It seems like the video is already very long, more than 10 minutes. So what I see here is we are on Euro USD. I'll try to be as quick as possible. What's happening is the market is still on bullish momentum. The market is trying to push up. Here we saw the market breaking out of this support that we had, but it seems like the market is going back again. So what's happening here? Let's point out this area, because I believe that is actually a breakout, but now the market created something which actually we're supposed to mark. There is a chance that the market maybe just wants to come here and retest and then go lower. Maybe the market can create something like this. Push, let me draw that nice. The market can create something like this, pushing lower. So we don't know if maybe that will be something. You see, we don't know if maybe that is going to be something, but we will be watching. So it means if the market start to consolidate around this area, we have to mark that area, because the market can create something like this. So we have to understand that. So yeah, let's push to the next one. The time is not longer on our side. Now we are on USDJPY. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you want to be part of the team. Just WhatsApp me. There's a Telegram WhatsApp link there. You can just talk to me. So on your USDJPY, I think it's quite easy. The market is doing what? Is actually downtrending. The market is actually downtrending. That's why we've been sailing, and I already pointed out where the market was actually resisting. So even here, the market actually tried to push lower. Maybe this is a retest. I'm expecting the market to do what? To push lower. And maybe we can say the market might also move like that, which it's consolidating. But as those who call this higher low, that also makes sense. You can just check that. But the thing is, we are selling as we are on a downtrend, as we follow the trends. We smashed gold yesterday in the group. I did send this signal actually yesterday. So what's really happening? Yes, the market is actually pushing to the upside. The market is actually pushing to the upside. You can see the market is on a very nice uptrend. We had a nice resistance here, I was waiting for the market to break. I did even talk about this area. The market tested that very nice. I took that. We took that actually. I did send that. Sometimes I don't really take gold as I focus actually on NASDAQ. That reduces the risk actually. Yes, you can make money, but also when you lose, you can also have to count that. So if you reduce that, you also reducing the risk. So I'm still bullish as the market is still pushing to the upside. So what's really happening on US oil? I like what I see actually on US oil. The market is creating some very nice moves. But firstly, you can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually on a downtrend. The market is downtrending. If we go closer there, if you did check my weekly analysis, I think it's on Monday, you will see that yes, I did point out this area and I said maybe the market will just consolidate here. Whether the market will break, you can see even this thing here. Now the market is breaking, and if it's breaking, we're gonna take a sell. The last area that we have is this one, as it's going, it might be our support. So it's going to be like this. You see, so it's going to be like that. So the market might reach this area before pushing up, or maybe the market can still push lower. But I think the structure is quite simple there. Maybe even around this area, but I don't think so. Yeah, but it's possible the market might find a resistance there before pushing to the lowest side. But the biggest thing is we are on a downtrend. We're still downtrending actually on US oil. Yeah, which is good because maybe we will reach maybe 60, which means the prices will be trying to go lower as the inflation is going to ease up. So now we are on US30. What's really happening on US30? Or before I go there, you can see that actually we have like service, our packages there. Monthly it's 45, 6 months it's $80, 12 months it's $150, lifetime signals it's actually $250. We no longer offer mentorship, we no longer offer the robots and stuff like that. So now it's about trading. It's all about trading, pure trading, focusing on trading only. So what's really happening, guys? It's good to plan as early as possible, because you mostly will say, oh, I will plan 1 to 3, it's January, I will do this and that. Now it's time to plan. Just take a decision, don't think twice. Just, you'll fix things when time goes on. Just take that decision, you will see what will happen. So now we are on US30. The market is doing what? The market is actually downtrending, but the market is still around this area. On this bigger time frame, or with this structure, you can have that confidence that, you know what, if I sell, I have a room for the market to do what? To push the upside, because the market just actually found that resistance very close. So it seems like we still have a nice room to go to the lower side. But later on, as we're going to have a FOMC meeting, that might change things. But I think they will say they're going to go easier, and I think the market will try to push the upside. So I think maybe I will check when we're going to have the interest rate. So what we see here is the market created some very nice move. From selling this side, created a support area here. Then now the market is creating this sort of consolidation move, but it seems like it's wedging, so there's a chance for the market to break and continue to the lower side, or maybe it can break this one and push the lower side, but I mean to the upside. But the thing is, we have to know that we are actually on a downtrend, so there is a chance, enough chance for the market to push this structure to the lowest side. Do you see that? I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let me push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? I did smash this one very quick yesterday, but it was a hit and run. So we did sell actually, but before I just want to show you that before you do anything, try to understand that the market is actually going down. For the whole year, for the past 12 months, the market was actually going down. So what if you did identify that? It means majority of the times you were just going to make money. Majority of the time. I'm not saying maybe you're not going to lose. Sometimes you're going to lose because of the fake breakouts, this and that. But at the end of the day, the market is going down. And if you were going down most of the time, 90% of the time, you're going to make something. So what's really happening here is, since the market touched our resistance, the market has been respecting that, pushed lower, like seriously aggressive. Now the market is like creating some sort of a structure, but down here we also have an area that maybe we can call a support, you see. So around this area actually we're supposed to sell, but this, since the support is very close, sometimes the market might start to consolidate, but I'm expecting the market to go lower. Already we are on 10 something, let's say we are on 11,000, but we are playing around 10,800, 10,000 something, 11,000. So my aim is for us to just go on a pure 10,000 around this area. It's possible around this area. So if we go there, it means something might start to happen. Something might start to happen. And we actually need that, because we actually doing what? Following the trend. We don't really care much whether the market is going up or down, as long as we can easily see where the structure is going. We're supposed to actually follow that. If maybe, guys, I think this is enough. If maybe you want me to manage your account, just let me know. It's $250. We don't split the profit. We just trade like that. And yeah, if you want to thank me, then you can just thank me. It's fine. So yeah, you can just WhatsApp me, Telegram me. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. I hope you're gonna have a very, very, very profitable year. Actually, not day or week. Very profitable year. I see that we're gonna make a lot of money this year. Thank you very much. Bye.